Show me the Scrooge promo.
Tonight, Bill Murray plays a corrupt bully,
Bahama.
forced to reckon with his life choices.
If you don't change your ways, you're gonna wind up doomed.
We're airing a Christmas movie in July, because who doesn't need a little holiday spirit?
I want that promo run every half hour.
Christmas in July with Scrooged. Tonight at 9 on Sundance.
If you could just experience the feeling of family that comes from knowing that we feel all the same joys, each and every one of us cares for the other. All of our lives are tied up with each other's.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.